Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for machine learning. Today we're going to see the topic called the reinforcement learning with example. This is one of the type of machine learning model where we already told in the previous section. So we already discussed about the types of machine learning like supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. So reinforcement means you can just simply learn from the mistakes. You can remember it's one of the thing where you can say learn from the mistakes, and you can say it's a concept based on the feedback mechanism. And apart from this, you can say one of the machine learning technique that enable an agent to learn in interactive environment by trial and error using feedback from its own actions and experiences. Moreover, here the algorithm learns depending on the changes occur in environment. Whatever the changes in environment, it may reflect here. And moreover, what is the goal or objective of this learning technique? The goal is to find a suitable action model that would maximize the total cumulative reward of the agent. So let's go for say for some real-time example. Suppose you have a dog in the house, what will happen? You can train the dog. Suppose whenever the biscuit come and it may come and eat the dog. Whenever say anything, it may if you say jump, the order it may jump. First it won't do. As much far you give it the training, it go and take. After getting some training, it may obey your order. That means the jump means jumps and go means go, like that. Whatever say, it may obey your words, whatever saying, the training, based on the training. So here before understanding the example, you see the diagram here for understanding the concept of reinforcement learning. Here the agent is there and the environment is there, the action will be there. So environment, agent is there. Agent in the sense it may be like I'll say the terms one by one. It may be robotic agent, anything, and environment may be like room, temperature, anything, and state reward. So based on the feedback only it works. So training here there is no, here there is no labeled data and so on. Here what happen directly? So whenever you apply the model algorithms, based on the algorithm, you can get the result. It may positive or it may be negative. So agent learn everything from the situation only. Then how do you formulate a basic learning problem here? So before formulate any reinforcement learning algorithm, we have now the meaning like the terms like environment, state, reward, policy, value. Here environment means what? There is a physical world in which the agent operates, and state means current situation of the agent. What is the current situation of the agent like? And reward means feedback from the environment. Then policy, method to map agent's state to actions, and you can say value means future reward that an agent would receive by taking an action in the particular state. So here there were two chances of reinforcement learning problem. So either it may be positive or it may be negative. So you can learn from the mistakes here. And let's say example. Let's say example you can say a robot. Here you can see the diagram. See the laser pointer. So here what you can understand means, let's say the agent, here the robo agent is the agent target is find the best possible path to reach the reward here. That means here fire is there and reward is there. So diamond. So fire is there. This is hurdle or problem for the robotic. So if you go here, it is a problem, or if you go via here problem, if you go here, it is a problem. So the robotic what happen means after applying the reinforcement algorithm, it go and find select the pair. Suppose if you select a path like this 1, 2, 3, 4, you can reach the reward. So here you can say here the goal of the robot is what? Get the reward that is a diamond and avoid the hurdles that are fired here. So the robotic have to avoid the hurdles here. So first initially it may wrong. It may go here and get back, or it's go here, stop activity, again come back and start the activity here, and so on and so on. Moreover, here the robot lands by trying all the possible path and then choosing the path which gives him the reward with the least hurdle. So suppose if you go means least hurdle, or if you go like this, you can avoid the hurdle here, the fire everything. So here the total reward will be calculated when it reaches the final reward that is in the diamond. So at last the robotics find the solution and reach the diamond here. This is the achievement. So here to listen like this. Here to go and the robot has to achieve the diamond. This target is achieved here. That means let's say some applications you can say. Say here some of the applications, say you can say like real-time examples, you can say building games or training robots, and business, where you want, we can approach this reinforcement modeling. So remember thing is, so compared to supervised and super learning, what you understand means here in reinforcement learning, there is no label data. There is no label data, nothing. Directly environment, based on the environment, the agent will act, and based on that one, the feedback will be stored here. Feedback, based on the feedback, entire things will happen here. So if you have any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the following social media. And thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you.